Hello everyone, if you keep getting blue screen of death in Call of Duty Black Ops 7, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying blue screen of death crashes on Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here Windows Security, and here you're going to go into Virus and Threat Protections first, you're going to go into Manage Settings here, scroll down, click on Add or Remove Exclusions, click Yes on here, click Add an Exclusion, click Folder here, and then go to your Call of Duty Black Ops 7 directory. And just select Call of Duty here, and then click Select Folder. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to go into Device Security. You're going to go into Core Isolation Details. And here, if you have this option called Kernel Mode Hardware Enforced Stack Protection, just turn it off. And after that, you can go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7, you'll see that you won't get those blue screens of death anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.